Hi again on day one of the challenge, and you should by now, after at least within a couple of hours, have received an email like this one from LinkedIn to say that your data download is ready. So when you get that email, if you click on the link, it will take you back into LinkedIn, into your settings, and you will see this button, Download Archive. So if you click on Download Archive, it will download the file into wherever your downloads automatically go to. I'm then going to open where my downloads, and you'll see that there's the basic link in dataexport.zip. Now, to open that, if I click on Downloads up here, I get a little arrow, and that will allow me to get into the basic data export, because I don't have a full version of WinZip. So this is a sneaky way of getting inside the zip file, and there is the comma separated file of my connections. So I click on that and it will open in Excel. I'll just drag that across from the other screen. So there we have it in Excel, and there's the first three lines. The first line says notes, and then it's a note telling you about why you don't get many email addresses in amongst your connections these days. It's because that option's been taken away as an automatic feed. So let's remove those first three lines. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to expand these a little so that I can read the contents of each cell a bit better. Expand that one quite as much, because email addresses are very rarely there. Let's just resize that end column. So this end column is the date you connected, and as you can see, it is in the most recent connection first, and then you've got all of your connections there. So I'm going to add in a column here, which I'm going to call priority. I'll insert a column. I'll give that a title of priority. As I said in the email, you need to come up with your own priority scheme, and I've given you my suggested scheme. Okay, so then you're going to go through all of your most recent connections and rank them in terms of where you think the best prospects are. So you go through them, and I think anything beyond 6 to 12 months old is probably too far away for them to be a potentially warm prospect. Not always the case, but I think you should be able to find between 20 and 50 warm, if not hot, prospects within the most recent 12 months of connections that you've had. So once you've got that priority list, you can filter by the priority type, so that you can see at the top the most important ones, the A's, the ones you're going to be focused on, and those are the ones that we're actually going to start messaging later in the week. And that's pretty much everything you need to do for now. So just save this file away. Don't save it as a comma separated variable file, because that means you'll lose any formatting, like the column widths and all that sort of stuff. So save it as a spreadsheet, so file save as, I'd save it as an Excel workbook, and I'm going to save it as connections, and it can go in, let's see, where am I going to put that? Let's put it in a different folder. So I don't want it in there. I'm going to put it in another folder somewhere. I'm just going to put it in my LinkedIn training folder. That will do for now. I can find it later. Got the connections. Prioritized. Save. There we go. And now you've got your connections all ready to use later on in the week. See you at 4 o'clock on the Q&A call. Bye for now.